I believe he's processing. I just dropped the arrestee for his case.
All right, okay, 10-4.
Three.
Can I have another number with 32?
Go ahead.
33 to 32.
Baker 12.
12, okay.
Yeah, I'm clear the station doing acres. I'm trying to make my way to my fixed position, but I'm stuck in this heavy traffic on 12th and 41st. We ain't going anywhere.
All right, okay, 10-4. Well, they have a disabled, if you're able to get through at Wyman Park and Art Museum, 10-4.
Yeah, I might be disabled in a minute if I keep sitting in the snow.
5133.
Yes.
Hey, Ash, could you advise me what 100 block of Northern Parkway is, Northern Parkway is shut down?
Over at Wells Fargo, coming from the ATL.
What's the numbers?
1726 East Northern Parkway.
Up and down Falls, on Northern Parkway, is this gridlock.
Hey, Baker 35. I was trying to shut down the eastbound coming up this hill at Falls, but no one can make it to that location because it's gridlocked completely.
30 to 35. I'm just passing Cross Keys, trying to make it to your location. So, but Falls Road is full of cars that's on the side of the road, and there's so much traffic, so I'm coming.
All right, 10-4.
34 in reference.
Yes.
Good afternoon, Ants. I told you relief a half hour ago, 45 minutes ago. What's going on is you get westbound Northern Parkway around Silver and around Sinai. The incline is such that most of these cars can't get up the hill, so they're getting stuck. There's a city tow truck there that's kind of going one by one as they get to them. He yanks them out and then sends them down Silver because they're not going to make it up the rest of the hill going further westbound. So it's kind of shut down in a way.
All right, I copy. And that's westbound Northern Parkway, you said, between Silburn and...
Just about at Sinai, as you would go off near Silburn, maybe a couple hundred feet east of Sinai.
I'll request a plow and a salt truck there, 10-4.
10-4.
Everyone, just be advised that I just talked to DPW, they have trucks that are also stuck in certain roads, that's why they can't get to us quick enough.
Yes, ma'am. Can I get a post location, if you don't mind? I'm going to try to see if I can pass that memo on. I don't think they got the memo that it was snowing, but I'm going to try to pass it on.
Yeah, they definitely didn't get that memo.
Okay.
Once again, not prepared. David 28.
David 28.
If there is a marked car close to Foley's and Sinclair, they can block off traffic at Foley's on Sinclair so we can try to clear this hill so this plow can get up here.
He's stuck, I think you said. Once I get him out, what else do you have for me?
All right, 10-4. And right in that same area, I had a disabled vehicle for 83 North and Northern Parkway. And that one, it just says anonymous caller. It just says it's on 83. Several cars that are stuck on the 83 ramp to 10B, Northern Parkway westbound. 10-4.
I actually saw one of our city tow trucks over there. I think they may have already gotten that car loose. You can give that one a Frank No, I believe.